Lee Pesky Learning Center developed these wonderful learning mats to give young children and parents a fun, engaging, and meaningful way to learn math skills, which are so important to success in school and in life. Each mat has a beautiful scene on the front and games on the back. They come with handouts that have a variety of ideas for developing different math concepts. Let children have fun playing with the mats before you try any of the activities. Children can use small objects such as plastic animals. Little erasers also work well. They can even build on the mats with small blocks or Play-Doh. One of the most important skills you can teach your child is counting each object one at a time. A good way to teach this skill is by demonstrating touching or moving objects as you count. This helps slow children down so they don't try to count too fast. Lining up objects also helps so they don't count an object twice. You can tell math stories as children are playing. Here is an example of different skills you can introduce through a math story.
Once upon a time, there were 6 frogs sitting on a log. Let's count. Let's see if we have 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Nice job. Waiting to make it slide into the pond. Splash. Good. Now how many are on the log?
4.
And how many are in the pond?
2.
How many are all together?
6.
The house mat has so many counting opportunities without even adding objects. You can also play iSpy with the mats and emphasize all kinds of math ideas such as shapes, quantities, and characteristics such as short, pointed, long, wide, etc. On the back of the house mat, there is a race car game. You will need 2 counters or pawns, anything will do, lids, coins, etc., and a die. It is helpful to make a die with only 1, 2, or 3 dots or pips. You can do this with a sponge or cube. On the back of the pawn mat are 3 games.
Let's play iSpy. These are Gingerbread Man up here. Do you see them? I spy a gingerbread man with 4 orange circle buttons. You found it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the teddy bear does a little dance. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. This shape right here is called a hexagon, and it has 6 sides. Can you say hexagon?
Hexagon.
On the back of the camping mat are 2 games.
Remember all these fun shapes that we did before?
Yes.
Well, now we get to play the game where the teddy bears are going to go to the cave and back.
1, 2, 3.
What you got?
Trapezoid.
Trapezoid, good job. Now what we're going to do is we're going to build a staircase for the teddy bear.
I'll do this.
Okay, and I got 5.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6.
6. Good job. Nice work.
On the back of the town mat are 2 bears for sorting objects. For example, you tell a child the bear with the light blue shirt only likes objects that have points, but the bear in the purple shirt does not like pointy objects. The handout that comes with the mat has many more ideas. For more information about our resources and projects, visit Lee Pesky Learning Center at lplearningcenter.org.